I'm analyzing 30 breakout YouTube videos over the next 6 months. Videos from channels under 100,000 subscribers that somehow got hundreds of thousands of views, and I'm documenting everything I learn publicly. I will show you exactly how I'll select them, what I'll measure, and how I will test those choices on my own uploads. No growth hacks, just observable decisions. If you're a small creator stuck under 10,000 subscribers, watching your videos get 600 views, while someone in your niche randomly hits 200,000, this is for you. Because I'm figuring out what they did differently, and I'm testing it on my own channel. I'm not a YouTube expert, I don't have 1,000,000 subscribers, that's exactly why I'm doing this. Because I'm learning the same things you are. And instead of pretending I have all the answers, I'm going to show you my research, my tests, and my failures on every upload. Just to clarify, a breakout is a video that significantly outperforms a creator's typical upload. Without their channel analytics, I'll use the YouTube public information to analyze various metrics. Here's what you'll get on every upload. A deep breakdown of one small channel's breakout video, not just good thumbnail, good title. I'm talking exact timestamps, retention patterns, what they did in the first 30 seconds, views with regards to their recent median, and so on. Then, every few weeks, I'll show you what I've tested based on those breakouts, my click-through rates, my watch time, what worked, and also what completely failed. No fluff, no guru promises, just data and honest experimentation. Here's my commitment. One video analyzed every 7 to 14 days for the next 6 months. I'll cover different niches such as cooking, finance, gaming, productivity on channels under 100,000 subscribers. Scan their last 15 to 20 uploads, flag the outliers, apply the proxies, and add them to the dataset. Every month, I'll post my own results, what I've tested, what my numbers look like, and where I failed. By the end of 6 months, I'll either understand what makes a video resonate with the audience, or I'll have documented a time-consuming learning experience. Either way, you'll learn with me. If you are a small creator trying to figure this out too, please subscribe. You'll get these breakdowns and get a deeper understanding. On my next upload, I'm analyzing a UK-based car enthusiast channel with nearly 19,000 subscribers that went from 2,000 average views per video to 149,000 on one upload. I'll show you exactly what changed. And if you have a small channel with a breakout video you want me to analyze, please leave a comment. So that's it. Upload, fail, repeat. That's the channel. That's the process. I'm not promising you'll blow overnight. I'm promising honest analysis and real experimentation. See you on my next upload with the first breakdown.